Okay, back in the garage on this Tuesday night. I made me a template off of my other trunk lid to where the Mustang emblem and the LX emblem goes. And then on this side, I made one for the Ford oval. That way I know they're where they're supposed to be. This is how I make my template so I know where the emblem goes. I'll peel this off and go stick it on the fender and then put the new emblem on. Now all I need to do is get their cleaner that they gave me with the emblems and peel the double-sided tape off and stick it on. Okay, this is what they give you to rub on the car body before you stick the emblem on. This has double-sided tape on it. This is some kind of sticky stuff that they give you they give you a kit when you buy the emblems. They gave me 2 kits to do the emblems on the front bumper and the trunk lid. One of the adhesion promoters normally will do something this small. The bigger the stuff is, the more of the adhesive promoter it takes. I believe when I put the door moldings on, it came with 2 kits, or 2 packs. I'm calling them kits, but it's 2 packs. And each of the little moldings that double-sided tape came with 1 pack apiece. And the ones on the front fender by the bumper and the ones on the rear quarter panel next to the bumper, they bolt on. Okay, I'm going to put the adhesive promotion stuff on. You just take it and you just rub it like that. A little bit bigger than the area that it needs to be in. And then in about a minute, be ready to put on. So since that emblem was so small, I'm going to do this side too. And it will be ready to put on in about a minute. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I put the emblem on. First, you got to get down in the floor and get with it. Then you take a knife or a razor blade and roll the blue stuff off, or sometimes it's red and it's real sticky. Sometimes it's real hard to start. Probably should have started it before I started this. There it goes. I always start it at the bottom. That way it won't turn it up. And then you put that there and that there. Then you mash it down. Then you take and peel your tape off. Voila! You have a 5.0 emblem on your car. Let's do the same thing for the other side. Okay, tonight I put the decals on the radiator support, put the decal on the overflow tank, put the 5.0 emblem on the fender. I got the seal and the boot attached to the car inside. I've just got to put the screws in it. I put the emblems on the trunk lid. They're all NOS Mustang of America approved Ford products. And on my YouTube page, I made a longer video on showing how I did it to where they were in the exact same place as the other emblems were, so that they would be in the correct location. I'll get them downloaded and get them on my YouTube page. Thanks for watching my reels. Leave me a comment. Sally's getting very, very close to being done.